In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix HeritCoin not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge with your HeritCoin identifier app, maybe the app is too slow or it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix any issue with your HeritCoin app. In the first method, we need to go ahead and access this app info page. To do this, just go to your app and long press on it and then tap on app info. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here and tap on it, you can see we have a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data, and when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. The problem is when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below here and choose the second option, clear cache. Then tap on OK. And as you can see, the cache data has been wiped. Then go ahead and restart your smartphone and open your app, and now this should have fixed your problem. In most cases, this works 100%, but should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and come back again to this app info page, and this time around, go ahead and tap on clear all data here, and then OK. But should this second method not work, then you need to go to the third method, and that is to look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. In my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here, search for HeritCoin AI coin identifier, and then find out if we have an update. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of HeritCoin app that is not supported. So to get the latest version, you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version for you to have a smooth experience. So for my case, I already have an up-to-date version of this app. But should you still update your app and still experience issues such as crashes, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your HeritCoin app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.